friends, welcome back to Onyx Food Hill. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make homemade churros. Churros are Spanish street food made from fried dough. These are really warm, crispy outside, soft and fluffy on the inside. Stay tuned and watch to the end and let's make this homemade churro together. We are going to start by combining half cup of water to a saucepan with half cup of milk, 6 tablespoons of unsalted butter, half teaspoon of salt, and 2 tablespoons of white granulated sugar. Bring the content to a boil and allow the butter to melt completely. Once the mixture has come to a boil and the butter has melted, you can remove this from the stove top. Go ahead and stir in 1 cup of all-purpose flour all at once into the liquid. Once the dough has formed a paste and the liquid is absorbed completely, return this back to the stove top and continue stirring for 1 minute. You will notice the flour is a little bit smooth and it's partially cooked. You can turn off the stove. Bring this into a mixing bowl. Use a hand mixer to mix the dough for about 2 minutes until it's partially cool. After the dough has cooled down, add in 3 eggs into the dough, 1 at a time, and continue beating. You can stop and scrape down the sides of the bowl and continue adding your eggs and beat until it's well incorporated. Once the dough turns out really smooth, glossy and silky just like so, you can go in with 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Beat this for 30 seconds. Next, we are going to fill our piping bag with the churro batter. So I have my piping bag already fitted with a star nozzle. So make sure to use a large star-shaped nozzle. So this is how we do it. And this is ready to be piped into the hot oil. Next, place a large pan on the stove top. Add some oil, just enough to fry all the churros you're working with. Let the oil heat up to about 350 degrees Fahrenheit and go ahead and pipe in your churros. You can use a scissors to cut these. And make sure not to overcrowd your pan. Just few at a time will do. Fry each side of the churro for 1.5 minutes and flip over to the other side and fry for another 1 minute. You can turn this over with a skewer. The churros look so nice and golden. You can remove the churro with a tongue onto a dish lined with a paper towel. So while your churros are still very hot, you can now prepare your cinnamon sugar. Here I have half cup of white granulated sugar, adding 2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon. Mix this together to combine nicely. Now coat the churro in the cinnamon sugar. They taste really great when they are coated in cinnamon sugar. So you need to try this, don't skip this part. Remove and set aside, then continue with the rest. So you can keep your churros aside and continue frying the rest of the dough. And our churros are ready. So we have the sugar coated churros and the ones that are not coated in cinnamon sugar. Let me know which of these you like best. You can enjoy your churros in some chocolate dipping sauce. This tastes so good. It's delicious and crunchy outside, soft and fluffy on the inside. If you enjoy watching this video, please let me know what you think about these homemade churros in the comment section below. You can like the video and share with your friends. And please also remember to subscribe to Onyx Food Hill if you have not subscribed yet. You can hit the bell button so you'll be notified whenever I post new videos. Thank you for watching, guys. I'd love to see you again. Until next time, bye.